Hi guys, I'm Sydney from Shaw Floors, and we're back with another episode of testing our Pet Perfect carpet. And you guys suggested in the comments that we test chocolate, so that's exactly what we're gonna do today. There's all sorts of ways that chocolate can end up on your carpet. Shout out to my fellow parents. If you know, you know. So we're gonna take a piece of chocolate and we're just gonna go to town. I'm channeling my inner 7-year-old here. Oh, this is nasty. Oh God, this is so gross. Now that the chocolate is thoroughly mashed in, we're gonna clean up all the big bits and then we're gonna get down into the carpet. This is something else. Looks like boo-boo. It's mashed down in there. It's a good one. I've gotten as much as I can up with just the paper towel, so I'm gonna go in with the spray and clean it up. So all I did so far was just spray the cleaner on the stain and let it sit, and now I'm just gonna go in with a paper towel and give it a good scrub. We got the entire stain out. It is still a little wet, but once it dries, you're not gonna see any chocolate left on this carpet. Let us know in the comments what you want us to test next on our Pet Perfect carpet.